Good afternoon. I am Professor Sunil Agarwal. I am founding president of Association for Integrative Health and Research. I am also inventor of Agarwal energy concept and color therapy. I am using various type of holistic healing methods to make the life of people or make the life of the patient better. Today in this contest, I am going to discuss with you people how you can improve your impotence problem or your sexual problem. As you know, I am working in the acupressure field also, TCM field also, color therapy field also, and so many other things. Today I will discuss just on the issue of impotency or poor sexual issues. Either it may be in the male or it may be in the female. So first I will discuss, there are the 2 points. There are 2 points on this forehead. These are points related with the endocrinal system. As you know, our chakras are in this area. Swadhisthana, our chakras are Sahasrara chakra and Agya chakra. Both the chakra cover this area, and these points are here. These points, if you stimulate this point like this, it will be activating your endocrinal system. Once your endocrinal system is activated, your hormonal system is also activated. All the chakras, all the endocrine glands are controlling the secretion in the blood. Whether it may be the hormone, it may be the insulin, it may be the semen, any type of hormone is there, these 2 points will stimulate. After the point stimulated, you can stimulate these points 2 times, 3 times, 4 times as you require or you feel comfortable. Second point is, this point is here, just below this nose. Here I am pressing. You can press this point clockwise 60 times thrice a day. If you put this point thrice a day, you are activating your hormonal system and your reproductive organ system you are activating. Same time, you can also take to select 2 points here. These points just above the gums, and on the upper lip. You stimulate this point like this, clockwise, anti-clockwise, for 3 times a day, 4 times a day. In a one stretch, you can press these points 40 times, 50 times, and 60 points. If you press these points, it will stimulate your hormonal system. And your hormonal system is the life of the body, east of the body, strength of the body. Now, third point is here. Here you will, this is the just below where the earlobe is ending. This side is also earlobe is ending. You can press this point clockwise, anti-clockwise, or you just press and pull. Then last point is here. This point is also very good point for the hormonal disbalance, sexual impotency. All the problem you can handle from this point. These are the facial points. These are the trigger points of your hormonal system. You can put this pressure, you can apply the pressure on these points, or you can do the moksha on this point, or you can rub a cube, ice cube also you can rub. If you are having the too much sexual issues, sexual desire too much, then you can use the ice cube here. If you are low impotency, then you can use the moksha over here. Once again, I will repeat the points. 2 points are here. Stimulate clockwise, anti-clockwise. 2 points here. Like this, repeat and press. 1 point is here. You press clockwise, anti-clockwise, or just push and pull. Third point is here. You can press this and pull, or whatever way you like you can press it. or you can apply a moxa. Same way, the ear lobe ending with the cheeks. Here you can apply a pressure. Press and pull, press and pull, press and pull, press and pull. I hope you will understand this exercise. If you are having any problem, you can always call me, contact me. My mobile number is 91 India code, country code 9717380071, or you can visit my YouTube channel AIHR Integrative Health. You can visit my YouTube channel www.aihr-integrative health care. Okay, thank you. I hope you will like these my videos and give me the comment and subscribe my channel, subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.